What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. Guys, we need to talk about the cryptocurrency market, and we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. So much FUD. My goodness, it always happens. We see the positivity, we see the green, we see the uptrend, and then a little bit of a sell-off. And yes, this actually is unfortunate that Amazon ended up denying what was leaked yesterday. They said that we have no plans to accept Bitcoin payments. The speculation that has ensued around our specific plan for cryptocurrencies is not true. But later you could see also in the article they state, we remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. So make sure you guys understand that, hey, although that this is, this occurred and they denied the leak from yesterday, that doesn't mean that it's not 100% true. Ultimately, we know crypto adoption is on the expansion, but the overall market reacted the way it did, and we saw everything slowly but surely take a dip. Bitcoin hit 40,000 today, and I was so excited because the bulls were out, but then we saw a little bit of a correction, and everything is following. Ethereum in the red, BNB in the red, and everything else is starting to trend down. But for me, it's always, when they panic, we pounce. Guys, I will live and speak by that saying every single day. But remember, my channel is not for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And one of those is Shiba Inu. So we can see today, just like everything else, it pulled back pretty heavily. And of course, in addition, etoro did not list Shiba Inu. They actually listed two other cryptocurrencies, which upsetted a lot of the paper handlers. But for you and I, the diamond handlers that are watching this video, you guys know what it is. The whole thing is, they came out and said, when SHIB 6 hours ago, after the disappointing announcement about what coins they're listing, we hear you, they say. We're on it. They are on it, folks. We've dropped a few teasers and we're getting closer. When we list assets, some are more complicated than others, but regardless, for every listing, there are many considerations. We hope to share updates soon. Hang tight. So SHIB Army, let the paper hands leave. Wait, if you have, for me, I'm so excited because now I know the potential. I know where we are heading. So for me, it's, hey, now I can scoop up more and more tokens and accumulate and increase my position size as all these paper handlers leave. Because we know the etoro listing is going to happen. We know it's going to happen. For Shiba Inu, also for SHIB, it's going to happen. Don't only get excited on the green days. I get very, very excited on the red days as well. Because for me, I know where the potential is, and now I'm getting things on a discount. And that's why I always try to tell you guys, hey, when they panic, what do we do, folks? You guys tell me in the comment section below right now. When they panic, what do? We pounce. We pounce left, we pounce right, we pounce up, we pounce down, guys. Pouncing. And also, click the link in the description if you haven't already to go ahead and get your 2 free stocks with Webull. Just a quick plug, of course. You guys have until the end of the month, so 5 more days to get your 2 free stocks, valued up to $2,300 for the SHIB Army from Webull. And guys, a Webull listing is also imminent, so I'm really, really excited. So what do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about Bitcoin, the technical analysis, specifically the stock to flow model. So if you guys have seen anything with the whole stock to flow model, you've probably seen this. This graph here has been ridiculously accurate in terms of the Bitcoin price action. So far, it's been ridiculously accurate. So again, what you see is all the way on the left from 2010, where it was, started about $1. Look at this. Went up to $10, went up to $100, went up to $1,000. 2017, $10,000, right? Going up to 2018. We actually hit 20K. But understand this, because people are saying the stock to flow model for Bitcoin is no longer valid because we're currently trading and trending underneath it. That is not true. Look how many times in history we've traded below and above the actual trend line. You guys can see here in 2011 on the left-hand side, we traded above, way above, and then came back to again, we're just going to look at the average on this stock to flow model. Again, in 2014, 2015, we bounced right off of that again, and we jumped off of it. But then guess what? We came back down. So again, consolidating across, again, peaking up a little bit above in 2017, 2018. We actually hit about, I think it was $19,000 was our high, came back down, traded below for a little bit, but then came right back up. So in my opinion, if we're following this chart by the end of 2021, going into 2022, we're looking at a 100,000 price target, a 100,000 US dollar price target for Bitcoin, folks. For Bitcoin. And if you know about anything else in the market, Bitcoin just basically is the mother. Big Daddy Bitcoin, as people are calling it, right? Per rigor mortis' words. So if Bitcoin does well, everything else follows its momentum because it has that gravitational pull. It's the mother of the cryptocurrencies. When Bitcoin pulls back, everything else pulls back. And that's what we're seeing across the market. For Shiba Inu, same thing. When Bitcoin pulled back, we pulled back too. But for all the things that we have, we are a cryptocurrency like no other, and that's why I keep investing more and more into Shiba Inu. Yes, diversifying is important. Being a part of Bitcoin, Ethereum, I am diversified, but my biggest position is in SHIB because I think when we're looking at percentage-wise and the potential for gains, right? Just going back to all-time highs, we're talking at a 600% increase for Bitcoin by the end of the year. If it gets to the 2022 price target, right, for January 1st, we're looking at a $100,000 price target on it if we follow that stock to flow model. So again, guys, in my opinion, I think we are going to see it by the end of 2021, and we will see SHIB, not only for sure taking off 1-0. I could see us getting to 6,289 Satoshi units. So for everyone spreading the FUD, guys, make sure that we silence the FUD by helping people understand that, hey, every single catalyst that's on the way is still happening. Delays are not wasted opportunities. Delays actually present opportunities. Red days should excite you as investors in terms of long-term investing. If you're a short-term investor, of course, you're not going to be able to stomach this volatility and losses. And in that sense, this might not be the space for you. But for the diamond handlers, the people who have adopted the true investor mentality, that long-term investing mentality, you guys know the potential that we have. And we should be very, very, very ecstatic for the future of cryptocurrency as a whole. Bitcoin, of course, leading us, and Shiba Inu taking us to the promised land one day. So again, if you don't know what the stock to flow model is, go out there and read any article. The reason I even brought this about today is shout out to Andre Jick. He actually made a video about it regarding Bitcoin's price target by the end of the year. And what we need to understand is really, right now we're trading below, so you're still getting things at a discount if we end up following this model to the T. And it really, in my opinion, makes a lot of sense. And again, just generally speaking, the stock to flow model is generally applied to natural sources such as gold and silver. And it's been very, very accurate in terms of those. The commodities are often referred to as store of value resources, which again, Cathie Wood, one of the most intelligent investors in my opinion, and a lot of other people's opinion across the world, say that she is, and she says that the store of value of Bitcoin is what makes it so attractive. And that's why she thinks one day it's going to surpass the market cap of gold, which is trillions of dollars. She has a $500,000 price target on Bitcoin in the next few years. But some people, if we're looking at the stock to flow model, we're looking at a $1 million Bitcoin price target. $1 million. We might not be able to fathom that today, but hey, 11 years ago in 2010, when it was less than $1, how many people thought it would go to 30,000? Only a fraction of individuals. And those are the ones that saw true success and have become millionaires. So again, just make sure you guys, dial in, focusing on the fact that this is an opportunity. When we see the market pull back, we know what good news can cause. 20% gain in Bitcoin in one day, 25% in all these other cryptocurrency assets, 40, 60, 70% gains. That's the thing that comes with this market, is that it is extremely volatile, and positive catalysts can make this thing shoot up at any moment. And also with the same token, things can also go down based off negative catalysts as well. So again, in my opinion, today we take advantage of this opportunity, because when they panic, we pounce. And I'm going to continue to live and preach that every single day. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below, and let me know what tokens you're pouncing on. If you're part of the SHIB army, I know you're buying your SHIB token, your Bone and Leash, but what other cryptocurrencies are you also buying? Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time, then, keep investing. Peace.